Moving on, always select a focus point on your screen by tapping the desired area with your finger. Don't leave it to your camera to decide what's important and what's not, especially when it comes to portraits. Focus on the face. iPhone has some good macro capabilities. Of course, it is not a substitute for proper DSLR with a macro lens, but it will cover your desire to take pictures of flowers, leaves, or even bugs and bees. But sometimes you will encounter a case when your phone will refuse to focus simply because the item is too small or thin. For a camera, it is really hard to find the focus you have in mind if the object is too small. You can tap your finger on your screen for a long time and it still wouldn't focus. So here is a little trick for you. In order to focus, use your hand. See, hand is a large object. You can focus on it, fixing the focus point by pressing for a few seconds. If the exposure is not right, use the exposure correction tool by sliding your finger up or down the screen. Remove your hand from the picture. Be careful not to move your phone too much so that the focus will stay sharp, and take a shot. Here is a little video how I do it.